Alright, I'm back, and I have an oil change to do, and I'll give you an update on the mower. Here it is. Same spot it was in before. Tiller's all good to go. The mower deck I took apart, and I started wire brushing it, and it's pretty pitted on the top, and underneath is really bad. And as you can see, there's holes in there, some really bad holes there. But I'm going to be getting a welder, so I'll be able to cut that out and put in a new piece of steel. All my bearings are good. My gearbox just needs an oil change. All I'm waiting for right now is the tensioner. I need new pulleys and a spring for it. And the mower, I mean, it's basically good to go, you know. Rear end's good, motor's good, new air cleaner, you know, new lift and everything. There's not much wrong with it other than I had a heck of a time getting it to run. I had to fight and fight to get it to start, and then it liked to flood out. And I've dealt with carburetors before, and I had an idea of either it needed a carb kit or just one part, so I wasn't sure. So I took it into a guy, and he's going to put a needle seat and new needle in it because it was dumping gas in faster, much faster than the tractor needed it. So that's where that sits. That's almost ready to go. And then this is my victim up today. I worked on an Explorer yesterday, did a wheel bearing change. Wish I could have got that on tape, but I didn't. It was a lot of work, and I didn't want to slow it down. But yeah, so here we go. Another oil change. I'm sure you guys are just excited to see that. Most boring thing ever, right? Okay, so I thought I'd give you a little more info on this van. It's a 2008 Chevy Uplander with, somewhere around 90,000 miles on it, so it's not doing too bad. It's got a 3900 V6 in it, obviously, and it's got a whole heck of a lot of get up and go. It does really good, and mileage isn't too bad. I think somewhere around 21 miles to the gallon. Only real problem we ever had with this van was right after we got it. It needed new head gaskets, or a new head gasket put in. I don't remember if it was both or just one. It's been a couple of years. Yeah, all around it's a good vehicle, just kind of bare bones, you know. You don't have a lot in it, but clean interior. This is actually my mom's car. You know, and you got all your info shows up here on the dash and everything for the vehicle. The oil life, battery life, tire pressure, you name it, it's on there. Nice radio and heat and AC that works great. And I like this, it's got the little auxiliary spot there so I can plug in my music when I'm driving it. Yeah, so that's our Uplander. And I'll get to changing oil here. Let's go get a creeper. Where did they put them? Is it up front? Let's see. Yep, there it is. I walked in the wrong direction. I like that. The oil filter is right there where you can see it. I mean, that's convenient. And then the oil plug is right there. Huh. oil leak starting to develop. I don't know about that, but yeah, I mean, these are easy to change the oil in. Plug there, filter there. Don't have to reach up and around anything. And I believe this vehicle takes like 4 quarts of oil. I won't check in there yet. We'll get draining that. Put the pan underneath it. And I believe that's a 15mm wrench to get that plug out. We'll take a 15 and see. Come on, you darn creeper. Alright. See how bad that's frozen in there. Where'd my wrench go? Oh, there it is. Alright. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this. That's on tight. Ooh, nice. Yummy. Nice and black. Oh, better. Oh, I lost it in the oil. Well, there we go. We'll let that drain out and go find a filter wrench. What have we got for filter wrenches? That'll do. If it's the right size. Yeah, that's the right size. Not only is that easy to get to down there, I like how right there's your filler on the top. No fighting it. Oh, no fighting it there. I didn't know that came off like that. Huh. Learn something new every day, I guess. Okay, now we can do the filter. Tighten the drain plug up first. Take the filter off. This is the worst part of the whole thing. Taking that stinking filter off is the messiest job. Yeah, there we go. Nice. That's just what I want to do. I want to be covered in oil, yeah. Gotta love it. Well, there's that. And then we do just the same as in my Filter change on the Silverado. You take and you prime the filter and you put a little oil on the gasket so it seals. And then, like I said, I believe this van takes 4.5 quarts, and we put 50/30 in it. And then you're done. Well, there you go. If you enjoyed this video, go to my channel and check out my other ones, and if you happen to like that, give me a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, I lied. The oil change video isn't quite done yet. I forgot that on this van, you have to turn it to on, and cycle through to where it says oil life with this button here, and then with this button hold it down until it reads 100% and shut the vehicle back off, or the power back off, and then you're done. And on a side note, this van took 4 quarts of oil, not 4.5. But anyway, there you go. Oil change video's done. I'm probably going to move on to doing a little tune-up, checking out the spark plugs and stuff in the next one. So, thanks for watching.